Welcome to Alpha Wolf. In this video, you're about to discover the exciting world of binary trading, how it works, how you can profit, and the strategies that set winners apart. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take your first step into the market with confidence. But before entering the market, you need to understand what binary trading is. Binary trading is a simple yet powerful form of trading where you predict whether an asset's price will go up or down within a specific time frame. If your prediction is correct, you make a profit. If not, you lose your investment. In binary trading, unlike traditional Forex or stock trading, you don't need to analyze complex market structures because your focus is on short-term price movements. Here's why. One trade, one candle. In binary trading, you're making a decision on a single candlestick. You predict whether the price will go up or down within a specific time frame, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 5 minutes. This means long-term trends and deep market structures aren't as important. Sounds easy, right? But there's more to it than just guessing. Successful traders use analysis, strategies, and risk management to increase their chances of winning. Since you're only concerned with the next candle's movement, you don't have to worry about support and resistance zones, trend reversals, or long-term price action. Instead, you focus on candle patterns and indicators that help you predict the next move. Many traders overcomplicate things with detailed analysis, but in binary trading, success often comes from understanding candle structure formations and using the right indicators to make quick, accurate trades. This video, you will learn powerful candle structure that help you master binary trading step by step. The candle structure. Before making any trades, you need to understand the language of the market. Candle structure. By these patterns, you will going to know what will be the next candle, green or red. This pattern represents a strong bullish continuation signal in binary trading. Here's how it works. 1. A strong green candle appears. This indicates that buyers have stepped into the market with strength, pushing the price upward. 3. Consecutive red candles form. The market experiences a temporary pullback, but an important detail is that these red candles fail to break the low of the initial green candle. This means sellers are losing strength and buyers are still holding control. 3. A high probability trade opportunity. Since the price is unable to break lower, it suggests that buyers will likely step in again, leading to the formation of another green candle. This is your signal to enter a buy trade on the next candle. This setup is powerful because it shows a clear battle between buyers and sellers, where buyers ultimately regain control. Using this structure along with confirmation from indicators can help you make high-accuracy trades. Let's explore the bearish counterpart to the previous pattern, signaling a strong downward opportunity in binary trading. 1. A strong red candle appears. This indicates that sellers have entered the market forcefully, driving the price downward. 3. Consecutive green candles form. The market experiences a temporary upward retracement, but notice that these green candles fail to break the high of the initial red candle. This shows that buyers are struggling and sellers still dominate the market. 3. A high probability trade opportunity. Since the price cannot push higher, it suggests that sellers are likely to take over again, leading to the formation of another red candle. This is your signal to enter a sell trade on the next candle. This bearish structure demonstrates the struggle between buyers and sellers, ultimately showing that sellers regain control. Combining this setup with reliable indicators can help you capture profitable downtrends effectively. This pattern represents a bullish reversal setup in binary trading. Let's analyze it step by step. 1. Strong red candle appears. The market starts with a powerful bearish move, showing strong seller dominance. This signals a potential downtrend, but the next few candles will determine if it continues or reverses. 2. Small white candle forms. After the strong red candle, the market attempts a slight recovery with a small bullish candle. However, this white candle is weak, meaning buyers are trying to push the price up but lack strength. 3. Another strong red candle. Sellers step in again and push the price lower, forming another large red candle. At this point, it looks like the downtrend will continue, but there's a key detail. The red candle fails to break below the previous low. 4. Large white candle appears. Bullish reversal signal. After two strong bearish moves, the market suddenly shifts and a big white candle forms. This confirms that buyers have taken control, rejecting lower prices. This is a high probability trade opportunity for entering a buy trade on the next candle. Something happened for opposite too. I hope you are making drowning on you notepads. This pattern represents a bearish reversal setup in binary trading. Let's break it down step by step, and the price is likely to go down further. Ready to see this pattern in action? In this video, I'm using Quotex to show you a real-time example of this powerful pattern. You can see exactly how it plays out and why it's such a game changer. Want to try it yourself? Check out the official Quotex link in my pinned comment and explore this setup on a demo account. See firsthand just how accurate this pattern can be. Don't just watch, experience it for yourself. Let's dive into the live market and catch these winning trades together. It's impossible to cover all patterns in just one video, but don't worry, I've got plenty more for you. Want to see more strategies like this? Drop a comment below and let me know. Also, you can explore even more powerful patterns on my website. Link is in the pinned comment. And if you don't want to miss my next trading strategy, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's grow together.